Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Computing 101. I'm Michaela, head of AI at Umbrella Corporation, and today we are here with Marco Biscardi, a Google Cloud AI expert and enthusiast. Marco, thanks for joining us today to discuss Gemma, the new open source AI model from Google.
Hi, Michaela. It's great to be here. Thanks for having me. I'm thrilled to discuss Gemma.
Wonderful. Let's dive into it. So, Marco, what makes Gemma stand out from other AI models?
Well, Michaela, Gemma is designed with accessibility and scalability in mind. It's lightweight yet state-of-the-art, making advanced machine learning capabilities available to a broader audience.
Exactly. It's also optimized for performance, which means it can handle massive datasets and complex computations effortlessly, reducing training times and resource usage. Let's break down the key features of Gemma.
Of course, Gemma can handle massive datasets and complex computations effortlessly. It's designed to work with various AI frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and JAX. It is optimized for performance and reduces training times and resource usage. As an open-source model, it's freely available for anyone to use and improve upon. Ensures robust security and transparency for responsible AI usage.
Impressive. So, how does Gemma work?
It starts with data input, where your data is preprocessed and fed into the model. Gemma then uses advanced neural network architectures to learn from the data, optimizing its algorithms with each iteration. Finally, it produces outputs that can be used in various applications, from natural language processing to image recognition.
Awesome! What about some real-world examples of Gemma?
Gemma's applications are vast and varied. Predictive analytics in healthcare for patient outcomes and personalized treatment plans, fraud detection and algorithmic trading in finance, in retail, customer behavior analysis, and inventory management. Gemma is also good for enhancing search engines and personal assistants.
So, the limit is our imagination. Ready to get started with Gemma? Here's how.
Visit the Gemma GitHub repository, download the model, and explore the documentation. Set up your environment and ensure you have the necessary tools and dependencies installed. Run the sample code following the examples provided to understand how Gemma works. Experiment and innovate, modifying the code, training Gemma on your data, and creating something amazing.
Marco, it seems to me that Gemma is more than just a new AI model.
Absolutely, Michaela. It's a revolutionary gateway to the future of technology. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Don't forget to check out the related videos on AI on Google Cloud. Thanks for watching.